Hello and welcome back to Katie's Cosmetics Cart. If you're new, then hello, welcome. It's lovely to have you on board. Today, I am reviewing the Acti Labs Vendome5 eyeshadow palette. Okay, so if you can hear something in the background, it's my puppy. Here he is. Say hello. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I will open it up. You've got an orange, you've got some nice plum shades, you've got some good base colours, and then you've also got these pretty shimmers. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this plum shade and I'm going to blend that into my crease. If you want it more vibrant, you can go back in, which is what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go in with the light orange in the inner corner. Again, use more if you'd like more vibrance. Okay, so now I'm going in with this beautiful gold shimmer. I'm going to apply that onto a flat brush and put it onto my eyelid. I'm now going to go back in with the fluffy brush and put a little bit more plum in the outer corner just to connect everything together. And then you can use your ring finger to go back in with that gold and put it on your crease. Again, it just gives that little bit more vibrance than if you were to put it on the brush. Now I'm going to put that plum shade on the lower lash line. It doesn't matter if you make a mess of it, you can clean it up. It's not the end of the world. Just going in with my beauty blender to get rid of any fallout. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner now. So I'm taking the liquid eyeliner and I'm going to draw a line diagonal, and then I'm going to make a triangle, and then I'm going to connect that line once you've done that, you need to fill in the leftover space on the eye. I'm now going to take my Skyscraper mascara in the colour black and I am going to put that on my upper lashes. You can do this multiple ways. You can either put the mascara wand to your lashes and blink, or you can, if you're more confident, you can kind of brush it up. Just like I'm doing there. Take your time, and if you get a little bit of mascara on your eyeshadow, don't worry. Don't try to get it off straight away. It will dry and you can literally just scratch it off. Like the amount of times I've done that. Just to finish it off, I'm going to put some purple eyeliner on the waterline. And this is the finished eye look.